When can a child draw a man with 2 to 4 parts besides the head? Remember, this is a draw a man test, and the number of parts a child can make besides the head is almost his age. So the answer is 4 years. So I'll show you again the table from the Nelson's textbook, which is very important for your exam, everyone. So all of you, please look at this table from the Nelson's textbook. And now I'll be talking about 4 years. At 4 years, a child hops on 1 foot. At 5 years, he skips. Remember this. He makes a cross or a square at 4 years. He can draw a man with 2 to 4 parts besides the head. You can see this table on the DAMS Club. If you just go to the hashtag milestones, on the right side, if you just write milestones, you'll find this table. A 5-year-old child can make a triangle. He can name 4 colors, ask meanings of words at 5 years. Okay? Coming to the next question. Pulmonary vascularity is reduced in all except. So remember, in total anomalous pulmonary venous connection, pulmonary vascularity is actually increased, because here the pulmonary veins are anomalously joining the right side of the heart. Okay, so remember, all of you, I'll just write in blue color because we will be talking about cyanosis. So remember, when we talk about cyanosis with increased pulmonary blood flow, there are 3 main causes: transposition of great arteries with a ventricular septal defect, persistent truncus arteriosus, and TAPVC. So remember, in TAPVC, the pulmonary veins anomalously join the right heart. Instead of joining the left side, they join the right side. So the pulmonary blood flow is in fact increased in TAPVC. Coming to the next question. This is actually a coronary angiography showing aneurysms. So remember, all of you, almost 20 to 25% of children with Kawasaki's disease actually get coronary artery aneurysms. 20 to 25% of children with Kawasaki's. So all of you, please remember, Kawasaki is in fact the most common. You need to remember this. Kawasaki is in fact the most common cause of acquired heart disease in children all over the world, especially in the developed world. Okay, so remember, Kawasaki is the most common acquired heart disease in children in the developed world. It's common below 5 years. You have a child with conjunctival suffusion, swollen palms and soles, strawberry tongue. Remember, all of you, that the desquamation is usually seen in the 2nd to 3rd week of illness. Desquamation is seen in 2nd to 3rd week of illness. Okay. Now there are definite diagnostic criteria. Remember, fever more than 5 days. Fever more than 5 days. And any 4 of these 5. Changes in the extremities like erythema, edema, desquamation, conjunctivitis without exudates, a rash which is not vesicular, unilateral cervical lymph node more than 1.5 centimeters, changes in the lips and oral cavity. Okay, so this is Kawasaki. Now remember, why are we talking about Kawasaki disease today? Remember, all of you, because why are we talking about this? Because we can prevent these aneurysms. Remember, IV immunoglobulin 2 grams per kg. IV immunoglobulin 2 grams per kg reduces the risk to 4 to 6%. Initially, the risk was 20 to 25%. Now, IVIG reduces the risk to 4 to 6%. Okay? Along with that, we give high dose aspirin. Remember, along with that, we give high dose aspirin, which is very important. Okay? That's all for this grand test. I'll see you in the next grand test. My name is Siddharth Sethi. I have put many posts on the DAMS Club. Please see pediatrics on the right side in the subject columns, or search with my hashtag Dr. Siddharth Sethi. I'm on Facebook on Pedia for PG. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next grand test.